Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be introducing the 4 S's of watercolor effect. The first S is salt. A normal table salt works well. And then scraping using a wooden tool or other hard edge objects. Sponges, synthetic or natural, and spattering. We'll use toothbrushes or a coarse brush. Now I'm going to try these techniques. First, lay a wet wash, then simply sprinkle some salt while the water is still wet on the paper. The salt absorbs the water and creates a pattern. We are moving on to the scraping technique. While the water is still wet, scrape the paper with a hard tool. We can use a wooden tool, or in this experiment, I use a hair clip as well. Notice how the scraped areas turn into darker colors, or you can scrape the paint itself and create a lighter color. Next is the sponge. I'm going to use a natural sponge for this one. First, you wet the sponge and then dab the color onto the sponge and then just lay it onto the paper. It'll give a better effect if you try multiple colors together. This is a great way to make cloud effects. After using the sponge, make sure you clean it and rinse it off before you put it away. The last effect is spattering. We use the coarse brush, or you can also use a toothbrush to sprinkle the water particles onto the paper, and it'll create a mist effect. Try overlapping different colors, and they look like colorful confetti. And here are the results after the washes are dry. The salt effect, the scraping, the water has absorbed the dark areas, the sponge effect, it almost looks like beautiful clouds, and the spatter effect. Thank you for watching. Have a nice painting.